having the most incredible day as always. Welcome back to my channel, and in today's video we're going to be diving in to my July favourites. Firstly, again, I can't believe that July has come and gone. We are nearing the end of the year already, which is absolutely terrifying because I'm going to be 29 in January. Which means in January I can say that I'll be 30 next year. Disgusting. But anyway, I'm going to dive into my favourites. I've got quite a nice range of things from Lush, accessories, shoes, books, makeup, that kind of vibe. It's been quite a busy month for me. A lot of the things I've been doing has revolved around reading, so I will be doing kind of my reading wrap-ups and that sort of thing, so don't worry, that is still coming. But these are all the other bits and pieces I've loved this month, so I thought I would share them with you as always and go through what I've loved. So without further ado, I am going to dive right in. I hope you guys enjoy. Grab yourselves a drink and a snack and carry on watching. So firstly, I'm going to dive into a hair care product. This is the, I think it's pronounced Mielle, I'm not too sure. It's Mielle, and this is the Rosemary Mint Hair kind of scalp strengthening oil. You can use it on your split ends as well, but I mainly use this on my scalp. I have slept with this before in my hair. I do kind of use it quite regularly. It says you can use it for daily use and as a scalp treatment and a split end treatment, so I do really like it. Granted, I don't necessarily use it on my split ends. I tend to just put it on my scalp, massage it all in and kind of leave it overnight and wash it out the next day, but I love this product. I don't know whether it's making my hair grow or not. I mean, my roots are absolutely atrocious at the moment. Please don't look at them. I'm getting my hair done very soon. But this is just absolutely brilliant. My scalp just feels really fresh and amazing when I use this product, and I just love that sort of feeling. I don't know if it's just me, but sometimes I get like product buildup if I use kind of thicker shampoos, conditioners and that sort of thing. So this just really, like, I don't know how to describe it. It just cleanses my scalp, makes it so clean, so fresh, and it just feels beautiful, and I absolutely love it. So you can actually buy this, I believe, in a whole range, so like a shampoo, conditioner, a mask and that sort of thing, which I am yet to try, but this is really good. I got it from Boots, I think, and I want to say it was about $6.99 ish. But yeah, absolutely brilliant. If you want your hair to grow or you're just looking for a little scalp treatment, this is wonderful, and I really like it. So yeah, I love that. My second favourite is a makeup item, and I am actually wearing it today, and this is the Clarins lip oil. Now, one thing with this I will say is that they are very expensive. I bought one of these when me and my mum went shopping a few months ago, and I was just kind of in the mood to treat myself. Granted, I did regret it. When I went home I was like, should I have spent £20 on a lip oil? However, it's the best lip oil I've ever used, and I'm not just saying that because it was expensive and luxurious and that kind of thing, but it is just so beautiful. It's not sticky at all. I have it on today. It's got a slight tint to it, as you can see. I wanted to go for one that did give a little bit of colour, just so it was a little bit, I don't know, just gives it a little bit of something. So I absolutely love this. This one is in the shade Strawberry, and it smells beautiful. Does it smell like strawberry? Yes. It does smell like strawberry, obviously. It smells incredible. I really like it. It's so comfortable. Would I say it's worth £20? That is the kind of thing. I don't know whether I would go out and buy the whole range in these, but I do think having one is just a real nice treat. It's a little bit more of a luxurious item in my opinion, because I'm not the sort of girl that would go out and spend £20 on a lip oil on the regular, but I really like it. If you guys want to treat yourself or you want to put something on your Christmas list, I'm talking about Christmas, I know, but if you want a nice lip oil for Christmas, these are really beautiful and I just really recommend them. So yeah, this is the one I got. It's in the shade Strawberry. Mum got the one, I think it was Honey, so it's more of like a natural colour. Beautiful, smells amazing, but this, incredible. My next favourite is my Doc Martens favourite of the month, and that is my Griffin sandals. Now, these have been a godsend. When we had that incredible heat wave a few weeks ago, which I'm so glad it's not as hot today, because when I was filming last time I actually think I melted into my bed, so it is nice to be able to film and not be sweating profusely. But anyway, these have been incredible. As you guys know, if you've watched me for a while or you've just stumbled upon my channel, I am a massive Doc Marten advocate. I am a real big fan of Doc Martens. I have far too many pairs for one person. I have probably too many pairs for about 4 people, but I'm a bit obsessed, but anyway, that is neither here nor there. These have been a godsend. I love the Griffin sandals. The thing is with Doc Martens sandals, and it could just be me, I much prefer the ones with the hard sole. You can get ones with a foam sole. However, when I was researching Doc Martens sandals, a lot of the reviews said that they did kind of split away the foam ones from the actual sole themselves. They are a lot cheaper than the ones with the hard soles, so it is dependent on what you want to spend, but I would recommend saving that little bit extra and going for something like this. These are absolutely brilliant. They did rub a tiny bit when I first got it just on the front, but they are so comfortable now. I honestly love these. They go with everything. They've got that edgy vibe, which I really love. Like, I love an edgy kind of shoe. I'm just really into that, and I just love it because I'm not really like a flip-flop kind of girl, you know. They just hurt my feet, and they're so uncomfortable. I can't see how anyone likes wearing flip-flops, but anyway, these have been a favourite of mine. I've been gravitating towards them so much, and yeah, if you haven't tried these on, I highly recommend them. I also have the white Clarissa ones, which are also incredible. They are so beautiful for summer, and those are both the kind of sandals that I have, and I don't necessarily feel the need now to buy any more because I've got a black pair, a white pair. Unless they came out with like a Green Day pair, I won't buy them. So yeah, I've been loving these, absolutely obsessed, highly recommend those. So the next item is my book favourite, and obviously I will be doing a July reading wrap up where I give you my 1 to 5 star review on each book. However, I thought I would include kind of the one book that stood out the most to me this month, go through it with you guys, just in case you didn't want to watch that video, which if you don't, please watch it anyway. But yeah, if you guys don't want to watch that video, I thought I would go through my one kind of book that really stood out to me this month, but that is A Good Girl's Guide to Murder by Holly Jackson. This book was absolutely phenomenal. I think it's going to be in my top 3 books of all time. This was incredible. Essentially a brief synopsis of the story. I won't give it away, but a brief kind of overview of the story is that Andy Bell is a girl who got murdered 5 years ago by her boyfriend, and he ended up killing himself, and they kind of shut the case as he killed her and then killed himself. And I feel like, trigger warnings with this book, there are quite a few details in terms of things like that, so just be aware when you read it. Even though there was a lot of evidence against her boyfriend for the murder of Andy, there is a girl called Pip who opens up this investigation again. She's at school, she's doing it for a project, and she kind of interviews people, gets more information, and she kind of finds out what really happened that night, and it's such a good book. I was engrossed in this book. The only thing with this book I don't like about this book is it was written in third person, so it doesn't say I, obviously it just says like Pip and blah blah blah. And I don't know if I love that as much because I did find it a little bit hard to envision the story when I'm not reading it in first person, but incredible. This is one of my favourite books of all time. I cannot wait to read the second and third one. The thing I liked about this book the most is that, for example, because she's doing it as a project, she's writing up the notes of the interviews. She draws maps as well, so you guys can get a really good kind of vision of what they're seeing when they're writing the story. This, honestly, if you want a little bit of a murder mystery, a slight romance, like there's a sprinkle, not much, like a kiss. That's basically it. Incredible. Incredible. Please read this book. Honestly, the best thing I've read, I think, for a very long time, so 10 out of 10, incredible. And the last 3 items are all Lush favourites. The first one is a lip scrub, and I'm not actually sure whether I featured this in my previous favourites video, so I may have done, so I do apologise, but this is the Funfetti Cake lip scrub. This lip scrub is absolutely phenomenal. I use it pretty much every other day or so, and I keep it on my bedside table, but this tastes so good. It tastes like, actually, exactly like, you know, if you're from the UK you probably do know, but if you're from other countries I'm not sure whether you would have had these, but we used to have these white sticks that were in like a slide out cardboard pouch and you would eat them. They were like candy sticks. It tastes and smells exactly the same, like exactly the same. So this is phenomenal. I absolutely love it. I don't know whether you guys are going to be able to see, but it has got kind of colourful sprinkles on the inside. It just tastes so good. I absolutely love it. So yeah, this has been my favourite lip scrub of the month. It's so delicious and amazing. I'm not sure whether you can buy this all year round. I don't think you can, but when it comes out again, which I hope it does for Easter or for something like that. It's just incredible. So yeah, 10 out of 10, loved that this month. The next item is a hair care product, and that is the Curl Power Hair Cream. Again, I have mentioned this in countless videos because I love this product so much. So as you can see, I mean, this isn't my natural hair. I wish it was. I crimped it this morning, but my hair isn't very long. It's also incredibly thin. I don't have a lot of hair, as you guys can see. So for my curly hair, I need something light. I need something not heavy, kind of thin textured. I just find that that works best for my curly hair. This is the best thing I have ever used for my curly hair, hands down. It's brilliant. I do sometimes use a bit of a curling gel as well as, but this product is absolutely phenomenal, honestly. It smells amazing. It smells like avocado co-wash, which is one of my all-time fave smells anyway. But it's such a lovely light creamy texture. I don't know if you guys are going to be able to see. You can tell I've used a lot of it because you literally need a pea-sized amount, and look how much is left. Like, I absolutely love it. I did just put my fingers in it, so now I've got it all over my hands. Ingredients wise in this product, we have got linseed gel, bergamot oil, cubeb oil, olibanum oil, argan oil, coconut oil, jojoba oil. It's full of oils, butters, amazing products, and it smells like avocado co-wash, which basically kind of smells like Twister ice lollies in my opinion. It's so good. Oh, it's incredible. So yeah, if you've not tried this and you have got kind of like lightly curly hair, beautiful product, 10 out of 10. Thank me later, it's amazing. And the last item in my favourites is a Lush body spray. I have finally finished my Plum Rain body spray after using it for like a solid year. I have finally finished it. So the one that I've been gravitating towards now is Snow Fairy. Now I know that Snow Fairy is a more winter fragrance, but for me, bubblegum, sweet, it's definitely a summer vibe. I absolutely love this, and every time I wear it I will always get a compliment on the way I smell because everyone loves Snow Fairy, let's be honest, and it just smells so good, so sweet. It's absolutely beautiful. The only thing I will say with this kind of body sprays, they are a little bit expensive. I think they're roughly between like 20 to 30 pounds, which is quite a lot of money in my opinion. However, these are the strongest ones I've ever used, and I find that the smell really lingers on my clothes, and it just is really worth it because you only need like 1 or 2 sprays and you're good to go. So I would really recommend the Lush body sprays. Like I said, they are a little bit more expensive, but this one is absolutely brilliant and I love the scent. So yeah, 10 out of 10, absolute fave. Delicious. So that is everything for my July favourites. I really hope you guys did enjoy this video, and obviously if you aren't already, please make the time to subscribe to my channel and like this video if you enjoyed it, because it really helps me out and I would love to hit 10,000 subscribers this year. So if you haven't subscribed, please make sure you do. And that is everything. I love you guys so incredibly much. I will see you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you very soon. Bye guys.